Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add markers on your timeline in DaVinci Resolve. This is an incredibly useful feature for organizing your editing workflow, especially when working on longer projects where you need to mark specific moments or sections. Let's start by opening your DaVinci Resolve application. Once you have your project loaded up and you're in the editing workspace, you'll want to focus your attention on the timeline area where all your video clips and audio tracks live. Now take a look at the top of your timeline. You'll notice a marker icon positioned there, and this is your gateway to adding markers. Click on this marker icon, and instantly a marker will appear on your timeline at the current playhead position. It's that simple. This marker serves as a visual reference point that you can use to flag important moments, create reminders, or organize different sections of your project. But here's where it gets even more useful. You're not limited to just placing a basic marker. You can actually customize it to contain detailed information. To edit your newly created marker, simply double-click on it. This action will open up a marker editing window where you have several customization options at your disposal. In this editing window, you can adjust the time where the marker is positioned, giving you precise control over its placement. You can also set a duration if you want the marker to span across a specific range in your timeline, rather than just marking a single point. Next, you'll see a field where you can add a name to your marker. This is particularly helpful for identifying what that marker represents at a glance, whether it's noting a scene change, a color correction point, or a spot where you need to add effects. Beyond naming it, you can add notes in a dedicated text field. This allows you to leave yourself detailed reminders or instructions about what needs to happen at that specific moment in your edit. Additionally, there's a keywords field where you can add searchable terms, which becomes incredibly valuable when you're working on complex projects with numerous markers and need to find specific ones quickly. You also have the option to change the color of your marker. This color coding system lets you create a visual organization scheme. For example, you might use red markers for sections that need review, green for approved sections, and blue for sound editing points. Once you've finished customizing your marker with all the information you need, simply click the Done button to save your changes and close the editing window. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized a marker on your timeline in DaVinci Resolve. This simple yet powerful tool will help you stay organized and efficient throughout your editing process. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.